5. What is happening to prosperity? All over the world, the post-World War II prosperity is steadily giving way to serious and deeply rooted economic problems. Not too many years ago, much was said about the economic miracles in West Germany. After World War II, Chancellor Erhard, influenced by the economist Röpke, led Germany back into a freer economy and into remarkable prosperity. Rising out of the ruins of the war, Germany soon became a very powerful economic force and a prosperous country. Now, however, the German economy is in serious trouble and its outlook is bleak and unpleasant. The reason for this amazing decline is readily apparent. The Germans have sought to outdo other European nations in their health, old age and welfare programs. As Alfred Zanker recently pointed out, a wage earner gets 6 weeks full pay while ill and gets 80% of normal salary. US News and World Report, January the 19th, 1981, 32. German workers get a 5-week paid vacation, and this may soon be extended to 6 weeks. Absenteeism is up to 8.4% of scheduled work time and is 3.5% in the United States. Great numbers of foreign workers have come in to do work which Germans will not do. In fact, the foreign worker from the Mediterranean world is a growing factor in the populations of Germany, the Netherlands, Sweden, and other countries, just as illegal aliens are here in the United States. As a result, West Germany is in trouble. 2 key factors are evident in the German economic problem. First, welfarism has grown so rapidly that it has become an economic drag. Welfare, education, and the bureaucracy have grown to the point that they now command 47% of the national output. Second, the work ethic is gone or, at best, declining. The mood is to relax and play, not to work and produce. Without a strong work ethic, no nation can long be strong. Having said all this, we must then add that what is happening in West Germany is also happening in the United States, Sweden, Britain, and everywhere else. Statism and welfarism are growing, and morality and the work ethic are declining. All these things add up to economic woes. To have a flourishing economy, we do need sound money and a healthy development in technology. Important as these things are, they aren't enough. What is further needed is a sound moral foundation and a work ethic. Lacking these things, both an economy and the nation will decline, and freedom will also wane. Throughout history, there has been a real connection between a work ethic, morality, and freedom. They go together. We live in a world of causality, not of happenstance. To be free, we must be responsible, godly, and productive. Like all things, freedom has a price.